Be a consultant, not a salesman. There is very thinner line between these two things, consultant and a salesman. What consultant do? Consultant would love to solve the problem, but a salesman just wanted to sell their products, right? So always be a sales consultant, not a salesman. I will explain in more detail with an example so you will better understand that how it can create an impact in your business. Let's understand with an example. Suppose if you have if you have a pain in your stomach, you go to a doctor and doctor directly says, I need to operate on your stomach, I need to do an operation. What you will do? You definitely going to rush away from that hospital because you definitely think that I have some stomach pain, some pain in my stomach, and this doctor, this bullshit, tell me directly that I need to do an operations. You don't have trust in it, right? You don't, no matter how qualified doctor it is, he is or she is, you don't have that kind of trust, right? When compared to other stuffs, you have pain in your stomach, you go to a doctor. Doctor will ask several questions to you, that what you have eat last night, and what you have drained, and what is your at which time you sleep at night. Doctor asks a lot of questions, right? And apart from that questions, if he got some satisfactory answer that okay, this person has only normal gas or acidity, something like that, then he will definitely directly give you that kind of medicine. If he thought he during this examinations process, if he will find something that okay, this is not a normal pain, then he will ask you to do some reports, lab reports, right? He will wait until the lab reports comes. He will wait, and then after seeing the reports, he will tell you that okay, you need have this kind of infection in your stomach, so that is the reason you need to do this kind of meditations or operation or any of the treatments. But when he is doing, after asking lot of questions, right? Same way, being a salesman, we must need to go more deeper into client business. That is what is the most priority for us as a salesman. Because if we don't know about the client business, client growth model, client expectations, then we never meet it, right? And ultimately we just end up with nothing, like we don't have any closer in our hand. But if we try to understand client requirement in more detail, that how our solutions can solve the client problems, right? What is the client current situations, where they are and what they wanted to become, right? So that is there are very small questions I am talking about, but that questions build a conversations, that conversations build a trust, and that trust build a business together, right? So I always recommend everyone to act like a consultant, not a salesman, because consultant role is to solve the problem, where salesman role is to just to sell things and get the money in your account. So always be a sales consultant, right? And if you wanted to know more deeper into it, that how you can become a sales consultant, then I would highly recommend that you can just follow us and subscribe our videos and channels and everything. Apart from it, if you wanted to learn about sales, more deeper into sales, how you can grow your business, right? Then you can opt our how to sell it training program, where we have designed a unique training program in which we are coaching IT sales people to close more deals, more business, right? And till today, we are proud that we have trained more than 100 CEO. That is not a less number. That is 100 CEO who already get training from us, and they all are get benefited, right? And we have a lot of feedbacks from there. So we at How to Sell It. My name is Mehul Rathod and my partner is Amit Kumar Trivedi. We both have years of experience in the sales fields, and we have proven track records to add more value in our client business. So if you are looking for something related to it, or if you are looking to grow your business, right, we are happy to help you there. Either it anyway, either you opt for a training program, either you ask for the consulting, and if you have any problem, right, then you can just give us a call. We are happy to help you without any cost. This is not just we are not here to just get some money from you, right? We are happy if we can add some value to your business, right? So yeah, that's it. And if you like this video and if you like this content, then I am highly I request all of you to share it, like it, comment it, follow it, and you can also add your comments in the comment section as well. Yeah, yeah. Bye.